Assalamu alaikum, dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to an IEBS homeschool, and this is Mokter Hossain, assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School, day shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic studies class for the students of class junior 1, and our today's topic is I.G.K 4 to 6. Okay students, let's see the board. Topic I.G.K 4 to 6, lecture number 23, SW number also will be 23, term annual 21, and today's date. Okay students, let's start our today's topic. Topic I.G.K 4 to 6. Dear students, I hope all of you know that I.G.K means Islamic general knowledge. Number 4, in which city was our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam born? And the answer is in Mokter. Number 5, what is the meaning of Rahman? And the answer is kind. Dear students, Rahman is an Arabic word. Number 6, what is the meaning of Razzaq? And the answer is food provider. Dear students, Razzaq is also an Arabic word. Dear students, I repeat. Number 4, in which city was our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam born? And the answer is in Mokter. Number 5, what is the meaning of Rahman? And the answer is kind. Number 6, what is the meaning of Razzaq? And the answer is food provider. Dear students, now SW, and your SW topic will be I.G.K 4 to 6. Okay students, that's all for today. Keep practicing at your home. Abide by your parents. See you again inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.